Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy bun hairstyle in less than 2 minutes. Start by dividing the hair from ear to ear and pop the top section into a ponytail. But on the last turn of the elastic band, only pull the ponytail halfway through to create a small loop. Then just clip this ponytail out of the way just for now. And we're going to repeat the same steps on the bottom section. So tie it into a ponytail and on the last turn of the band, create your loop by pulling it halfway through. Now release that top loop down, and all I'm going to do is take a couple of fingers and pop it through the middle of the top loop. Then I'm going to grab that bottom loop and pull it all the way up through the middle of the loop, and then just hold it to the head and secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins. Then spray some dry texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just loosen up the hair at the sides and the crown by pinching and pulling slightly. And then to give the bun a little bit more volume, pinch and pull the bun as well. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.